Want to join me on the roof?
I have a Mosin.
Yes, I need someone who can shoot distance.
I have a Mosin.
Come up here and shoot to my left, please.
Oh. Where the hell are you? You know what? Yeah, I'm coming up.
That's why I need someone to my left.
There was no one outside. I go back in and go back out 2 seconds later, and there's like 50 guys out.
Got someone. Also, there's another point of entry.
God.
There's
Bad time for my mouse to act up.
Still haven't replaced it yet?
No.
Dan.
I am. Oh, are you on point?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're down here at the bottom. There we go.
I got a secret mouse tool for it.
Muscatool.
My God.
Bodies.
You can't sit in the bipod on stairs. You can't aim down the stairs for some reason.
You don't need the bipod.
Hold on, they're coming in here.
Dan at a con.
They just smoked.
Where are we losing from?
Dan at a con?
how come he lived?
Because Paul's a god. Paul's a god gamer. Paul's
That's
also
a
out of
grenade.
ammo. There it is.
Hey!
I took one
I
shot.
was waiting for that to come out.
Machine gun is like 70 weight.
You should never bring it up. Never bring it. Just same class and everything. Just don't bring the gun.
Just don't bring your gun.
Don't
Just
bring the
it
thing that
primary.
makes the class that class.
Exactly.
Actually, I'm a UN peace officer.
I'm actually just a missionary.
Oh, I just realized my hands are gone.
Oh, my hands are gone.
And Molotovs mean nothing to the suiciders.
No, they just run straight through them. I am reloaded.
That was interesting.
Right.
Oh.
Through the fire and the flames we spawned. Good luck, there's a lot of blowing up bitches in there.
I came in for 9 seconds, got shot, and now we're here.
Me talking to God.
Nine seconds of glory.
Oh, the Tetris theme.
Get murdered.
Nah, heroes in.
Oh my God!
Where, bro, the littlest thing. You see where the fucking school bus is?
With
way
an
back there.
M870!
Yes. Both of you get deleted.
A 22-meter headshot
Oh my
with the
God.
M870!
You know how they... That's a sniper rifle.
It's got an ACOG, he's got this.
Yep.
Paul?
Oh, hi.
Don't step off point.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Paul,
They took that
Out of that pile of weapons to pick up, I pick up the fucking sniper rifle.
it was really funny because not a single shot landed.
No, it was all near misses.
Let's watch the fireworks.
I do like that you can see them coming in.
I love
Oh, and they
when
go behind the clouds. Holy crap!
Dan at a con.
And they go behind the clouds?
I like when you can see them coming in. I like that you can see.
Okay, I need to go do dog things.
Dan at a con.
I need to go take care of my dogs and find food.
Dead at a con. Power plant.
Yep.
Dan after the con.
They're in the windows.
Rush the door. That's a window.
No, move. No.
What? Let me through the window.
To the wall.
Yeah, you almost ate bullets.
That's fine, as long as I can get through the window.
God.
Buddy.
Oh, pal.
I told you.
Wait, I want to point out, by the way, we squeezed through that door together. I didn't know 2 people, 1 door could work in this game. Senya? Have a bee, ba ba ba.
Have a bee, ba ba ba.
Have a bee, ba ba ba.
There are at least 2 people waiting for you downstairs.
I didn't bring a fucking Molotov surprise tool. I hate this game.
Have a bee, ba ba ba.
I think you got surprise tooled.
Na Savanya. Have a bee, ba ba ba. Have a bee, ba ba ba. I like
There's Savannah turkey dinner.
turkey dinner.
That is a bulletproof privacy barrier.
It's not. I shot someone through it a moment ago.
I think he's just bad at aiming.
I don't think I'm that bad, man.
Cut to the next clip.
They picked it up. I heard a jingle.
He tried to.
Paul? Wait,
Yo.
what?
But
Wait, Paul was alive?
Mm-hmm.
He's not alive. I think he was in the room that you threw the grenade into, St. Paul.
well, have a bee, ba ba ba.
Ba ba bee, ba ba ba. I don't know if that has ammo in it, does it?
It does not.
Yeah, that's one I used.
My eyes.
Gas-powered gun, go burr. It also makes my thumb get funny. Gas-powered gun, go burr. It also makes my thumb get funny.
Oh my God.
Y'all are not having a good... Oh, there's more. There's more that way. Here they come. Shit.
Oh, how many mags do you have?
7. Just, I won't stop.
You got a grenade, man? Dan, move. Oh, fucking run!
I want to just sell that right into Dan's mouth.
Daisy grenade.
Frag out!
Pussy, you wouldn't do it.
Fuck. Ow.
I saw,
No!
I saw the enemy run up the stairs. I'm sorry, Paul. You were collateral.
He aimed that shit at you.
I aimed at the staircase, but he was next to it, so
All my friends are dead.
it was a surprise
Goddamn.
tool that killed me. They killed him now. He's turning 20, which means that we're turning 27.
when birthdays were fun?
Not really. I remember I ate corn and then threw up in my cup.
What?
Okay, you can't just drop that on us.
And that's why I don't eat corn anymore.
Brother's dropping childhood trauma right now.
That's the only thing I remember of my birthday at the moment.
What birthday?
I don't know, I was like 8.
Who eats corn at their birthday?
We had a whole like little potluck. Or something like
Paul,
that. I don't
Paul,
fucking
where did you...
remember. Going on down.
Go in.
I have a frag.
We're good.
Fuck this game. J. Paul, you have a grenade launcher on that.
Wow, I can't see a damn thing.
I think it was a smoke launcher. What are you doing? Not talk.
None of those were friends. I thought one of those was a friend.
Same.